I'm going to show you how to send bulk messages right now with the newest platform out there that is killing it online, guys. Please, please, please pay attention to this video and get excited. Let me show you what I got. So you're going to use the contact list grabber. That's what we're talking about today. Hit grab now, and then what you're going to do is click to initiate. That's the first step. Now, once you've done that, guys, all right, it's going to open up this browser. Now, it's really, really simple to use. This goes with all the features that we have here, all right? They're really easy to use, and they're simple click, grab, or add a tiny bit of information in. We don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be really good at technology. So once this is loaded up, I'm going to show you how easy this could be. All right, you've got the contact list grabber. You've already initiated it, so the status is initialized. Now you're going to grab all the saved contact. Okay, once you click this, it's going to allow you to grab all the same contacts. And once you click grab all groups, you can grab all of the groups. So click grab all groups right now, and it's going to add the group list into your files on your computer. So that's step one done. All right, we've used that tool, and now you can open up the Excel that you've just saved, and this whole office, okay, this is the WPS office. It's open for you, all right? It's here on a spreadsheet, and you've got all the group names. Guys, it's really that simple. Now, here's what you want to do, okay? Because this says completed, you want to go back to the main dashboard, okay? Because I'm going to show you the second part of what you can do with this. All right, if you click on the many men pictures right there, right, there's three of them, you click upload XL. You want to upload the exact one you just saved, and now you've got them all, all right? This is going to allow you to send that bulk messages, all right? Super, super easy and quick. So once they're all there, guys, you just simply write out the message that you want to write, okay? Whether you can see here, I've got dear, boost your marketing game, blah, 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 okay? We're talking about WhatsApp Pro, best regards, how much it is. Guys, you put it in there, so it's in the message bot, and you will click add file. This is if you want to add a file, all right? We're going to add this file here, and we're going to put a button on the message. Now, you can change this. You can put the text. You can change the button from a normal button, all right? Super, super easy. So this is going to be try it now. It's a try it now button, okay? This will be what is popping for your message. You can have this as a link. You can have it as a button. It's up to you, all right? And you can use your URL of whatever it is you are trying to push on this WhatsApp message. We're going to use WhatsApp Web Pro, all right? So that's on here now, and you can change your delay settings if you wish, all right? I usually keep mine at the recommended setting, which is already in here, but you can change it to whatever you want. And guys, that is really how easy this is. All you got to do is click Start Campaign, and it's going to bulk send this message. Enter the campaign name, and there you go. The campaign has now started. Guys, that's how easy this could be. Okay, super, super easy. We can name this anything you want. Just make sure you name it for whatever you want your campaign. All right, it's there. When you get to the run group, you want to hit the start button. On the right, you'll see where it says running. We are now started. Okay, this is it. We're in. Like how easy that was. You follow this video, you'll get there in no time. All right, it's going to log them underneath for you. It's going to log them underneath with the chat name and the status if it's successful or not. You can actually watch the percent go up as this carries on. So guys, once it's at 100%, that means it's gone through all of the different options. Okay, it's gone through all the different groups. So right now you can see the PUBG has been done, the Tamil Online job has been done, and one by one it will keep going. You've got to keep this application open, guys, all right? So while you're sending these messages, they won't all be sent from your mobile. But every single person in all of these groups is now getting these messages. They're all going to know about these messages. That's how easy and cool this is, okay? Guys, super cool. Once it's completed, you just send bulk messages. This would take you literally hours to do if you didn't use this tool. And now you can understand why everybody is using this fantastic program, okay? Your message is there, and it will give you an insight. It will tell you exactly which one's success, which one fails, how many you did, okay? It's really, really cool. And now you know you can download the whole report and get this done yourself. Guys, just to double check, go into the group, okay? You can actually see here with the button, the message, exactly how it looks, all right? And send these out as bulks. Super, super cool, guys. Now, for WhatsApp Web Pro, all right, I want to tell you this is flying off on everyone's radar because it's so, so good. There's over 5,000 active customers right now. Some awesome features, right? Personalized messages, important contacts, bulk messaging, things like that, why people are getting involved, turbo messaging, number generators, filter numbers, all right? All these different reasons why this is so, so importantly good. If you need to check the gallery out, guys, please go on there so it'll show you a bit of every single feature we have, or just watch these videos on this channel. For the pricing, you can get started now for $0 for 3 days, okay? It gets you one license. But if you're a pro like me and you want to get this started right now, it's $89.99. One-time fee, guys. That's a one-time fee. There you go, family. Do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hit the link down below. Get involved right now, and I'll see you on the next video.